Using cone incense burners is fairly straightforward, but a few key rules must be followed to ensure that the cone burns both safely and effectively. Our first piece of advice is to put a small layer of rice, sand or something else grain-based into the bottom of the burner. This will help to increase the overall safety of burning cones and will help to protect the base of the burner itself. Although this isn't mandatory, we do feel it is a wise step to take as burning any form of incense can be a fire hazard. Once this step has been completed, proceed to place the cone in the center of the burner and light it. Allow the flame to burn for between 10 to 20 seconds before blowing it out, as this will allow the cone to begin burning correctly. Remember, safety is paramount and always must be taken into consideration first. Thanks for watching.